Let's learn how to add clickable links in our YouTube video description, shall we? Don't forget to like and subscribe if you find this helpful. Let's go if you're ready. Get the link of the video you wish to add to the YouTube video description. I want to add a Facebook video link, so I'll locate the video. Tap on the three dots and copy the URL. Go over to the other YouTube video you are adding the clickable links to. Navigate to its description and paste the copied link. Always make sure that the link begins with HTTPS. Paste the link at the desired place in the description box. Go back and tap on Save. Now let's head over to the YouTube app to see if our link is clickable. Open the YouTube app. Tap on the channel icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on My Videos. Select the video you added the clickable link to. Go over to its description box. There you see the links. Let's verify if it's clickable by tapping on it. It worked. So this is how to add clickable links to YouTube video description. Consider liking and subscribing to my channel if this helped.